Hey, welcome to my Ketopreneur AI review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you create and sell done-for-you keto content, recipes, emails, and more, using AI. And here's the exciting part, you don't need any writing skills, graphic design tools, or technical experience. Just plug in a keyword, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. Make sure to stick around, because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 5 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your online income. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. And one more thing, I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you when you grab Ketopreneur AI through my link below. These are designed to help you get better results, faster, so check the description before they're gone. So, what is Ketopreneur AI? Ketopreneur AI is a cloud-based suite of 4 powerful AI tools built specifically for the keto and low-carb niche. It's designed for anyone who wants to launch a profitable keto content business, build lead magnets or sell keto content, or even resell the tools themselves for 100% profit. And the best part? No writing, no design, and no product creation headaches. Just enter a keyword, and boom, your content is ready to publish, use, or sell. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Ketopreneur AI gives you the tools and resale rights, but your results will depend on how you use them. If you're willing to take action, this can be a serious game changer. Standout features that caught my eye. AI Article Maker, instantly create monetized blog posts in the keto niche. Email Sequence Generator, build promo emails and autoresponders in seconds. Keto Recipe Generator, generate recipes with matching AI-created images, great for Pinterest, blogs, or ebooks. Keto Keyword Explorer, find high-converting keyword ideas based on emotion, questions, and pain points. 100% resale rights, sell the software as a service, bundle it, or offer it as a bonus, and keep 100% of the profit. Cloud-based, no installs. No hosting. Just log in and use it from any device. How it works, super simple. Log into your dashboard. Choose your tool, articles, keywords, recipes, emails. Enter your keyword or topic. Let the AI do its thing. Publish, package, or resell, your choice. You can literally create an ebook, blog post, or email funnel in under 5 minutes. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to generate content and recipes with this tool. Upgrades, OTOs, what's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some optional upgrades. Here's what they offer. OTO 1, Ketopreneur AI Expansion Pack, $24.95. Unlocks extra features, more templates, and extended content creation limits. Perfect for heavy users or marketers building authority sites. OTO 2, Low Carpreneur AI, $29.95. Expands your reach into low-carb and paleo niches. Great if you want to target a broader audience beyond keto. OTO 3, White Label Domain Edition, $64. Brand the apps as your own, add your logo, and use your own domain. Perfect for agencies or anyone who wants to launch their own SaaS business. Pick the ones that fit your goals and skip the rest, there's no pressure. What I love about Ketopreneur AI. Beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed. Saves hours of content creation. 100% resale rights included. Perfect for affiliate marketers, list builders, and content creators. Affordable, start under $15. What could be better? This tool is incredible for content and lead magnets, but if you're looking to build complex, fully customized apps or high-end websites, this isn't a substitute for a full dev team. It's made for speed and simplicity, and it delivers on that promise. Final verdict, should you get it? If you want an easy, AI-powered way to create and sell keto content, generate leads, or build a side business, Ketopreneur AI is a no-brainer. You're getting 4 apps, full resale rights, and tools people are already searching for. And don't forget, when you pick it up through my link below, you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses that are not available anywhere else. Grab it now before the launch ends and prices go up. Thanks for checking out my Ketopreneur AI review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and smart marketing tools. See you in the next one.